Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Dash of Delight. I'm Soumya. Today, I'm gonna share with you all my personal favorite, quick and super healthy breakfast option. Made hardly within 5 minutes, this healthy bowl has always been my go-to meal while rushing for office. So I thought, why not to share with you all as well? Take a look at the ingredients and then let's start off. For this, take 4 tablespoons of cereal in a bowl. Now, I'm using almond and wheat flakes. You may take whichever available with you. Then add around 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Again, this is vanilla flavored yogurt. You may go with whichever flavor you like. You can also take the unflavored or plain one. Now add 1 cup of almond milk. Now mix everything together like this. So guys, my cereal is already sweetened. If you're using unsweetened one, you can do one thing. Add some sugar or honey in yogurt, mix it well and then use it. Now see, everything is mixed well here. So time to add in some fruits now. So cut half an apple into cubes like this and add into it. Then take half avocado, scoop out all the flesh and add into it like this. Now again, give everything a good mix. So guys, you can just go ahead and add any fruit you are fond of. Like you can add some pieces of bananas, kiwis, strawberries, mangoes, any fruit you like. Then add some chopped walnuts, followed by 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Then also 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. Mix it well. So guys, if you want this to be a bit liquidy or runny, you can just increase the quantity of almond milk. So guys, our delicious bowl is almost ready now. Now time to add in some more ingredients. So add 1 teaspoon of flax seeds here. Just drizzle it from the top like this. Then comes 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds like this. And now, last but not the least, add in some more chopped pieces of walnuts. You can even add the nuts of your own choice as well. So that's it guys, here comes our super healthy breakfast bowl. Made in just 5 minutes, this is not only delicious but also so fulfilling that whenever I have it, I don't feel at all hungry at least for 3 hours. So the next time, whenever you don't have much time in the morning, without compromising on health, just go ahead with this nutritious and yummy one bowl breakfast like me and enjoy. So guys, if you liked the recipe, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be back very soon. Till then, you guys take care of yourselves, stay healthy and safe. Bye bye.